Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The first book of Chronicles, chapter 10, verses 1 to 14:1. Now the Philistines fought against Israel, and the men of Israel fled from before the Philistines and fell down slain on Mount Gilboa. The Philistines followed hard after Saul and after his sons. And the Philistines killed Jonathan, Abinadab, and Malchishua, the sons of Saul. 3. The battle went hard against Saul, and the archers overtook him, and he was distressed by reason of the archers. 4. Then Saul said to his armor-bearer, "Draw your sword and thrust me through with it, lest these uncircumcised come and abuse me." But his armor-bearer would not, for he was terrified. Therefore Saul took his sword and fell on it. 5. When his armor-bearer saw that Saul was dead, he likewise fell on his sword and died. 6. So Saul died with his 3 sons, and all his house died together. 7. When all the men of Israel who were in the valley saw that they fled, and that Saul and his sons were dead, they abandoned their cities and fled. And the Philistines came and lived in them. 8. On the next day, when the Philistines came to strip the slain, they found Saul and his sons fallen on Mount Gilboa. 9. They stripped him and took his head and his armor, then sent into the land of the Philistines all around to carry the news to their idols and to the people. 10. They put his armor in the house of their gods, and fastened his head in the house of Dagon. 11. When all Jabesh Gilead heard all that the Philistines had done to Saul, 12. All the valiant men arose and took away the body of Saul and the bodies of his sons, and brought them to Jabesh, and buried their bones under the oak in Jabesh, and fasted 7 days. 13. So Saul died for his trespass which he committed against the Lord, because of the Lord's word, which he didn't keep, and also because he asked counsel of one who had a familiar spirit to inquire. 14. And didn't inquire of the Lord. Therefore he killed him, and turned the kingdom over to David, the son of Jesse. Thank you so much for joining me. We watching and learning about the first book of Chronicles, chapter 10, verses 1 to 14. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.